Welcome to ABC Spotlight. Let's learn A to Z alphabets together. A is for airplane. B is for balloon. C is for candy. D is for dinosaur.
E is for elephant.
F is for flower. G is for garden. H is for helicopter. I is for ice cream. J is for Jeep. K is for kite.
L is for lion.
M is for monkey. N is for nest. O is for orange. P is for panda. Q is for queen. R is for rainbow. S is for sun. T is for train. U is for umbrella. V is for van. V is for van. W is for whale. X is for xylophone.
Y is for yacht.
Z is for zigzag road. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and tap the bell. See you again on ABC Spotlight.